Renaming a handful of files on a Mac is easy, but when you're dealing with hundreds or even thousands of files, renaming them one by one can quickly become a tedious job. That's where Easy File Renamer for Mac comes in. It lets you rename files in bulk using predefined naming patterns, so you can organize large collections without manually editing every file. Once you're in the System Renamer option, it's a very simple 3-step process. You start by adding your files. You can add your files from a specific folder. You can add your files. You can choose images, videos, audio, or documents. And you can also add folders. Once your files are loaded, you move on to rules. There are many rules you can follow. You can create a new name. You can remove text, replace text. You can trim the text, add suffix or prefix. You can add ascending numbers, insert text, convert to lower or uppercase, change the title case, or change extension. Today, I want to trim text. As I apply the rule, I can see the new name in the preview section. I can also choose multiple rules for the same files. Next, I will add a prefix. Again, you can see the changes being made. This is especially useful for photos, documents, music, videos, and other large collections. And if you regularly perform the same type of renaming, Easy File Renamer for Mac lets you save previously used patterns, so you don't have to recreate the same workflow every time. Once everything looks correct in the preview, you can just rename the file. And here you go, these are my new file names. And instead of spending hours changing file names individually, you can restructure an entire batch in a single workflow. There's also a companion cloud service for Easy File Renamer users. It can be used to rename files stored on supported cloud platforms, giving you another way to organize your files beyond your Mac's local storage. So if you're looking for an easy and flexible file renamer for Mac in 2026, Easy File Renamer gives you a range of naming tools, reusable patterns, and cloud renaming capabilities, all designed to make bulk file organization much simpler.